and welcome to Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty instant Chinese. This is Manasvi and this is our master chef Vikas.
Hi Manasvi.
So Vikas, every time you come up with new recipes, instant Chinese recipes, this time I want you to cook something from what I have got. I've got the ingredient for you and I want you to cook something instant for me.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's see what it is.
Okay. Let's see whether our chef can do justice to our ingredient with this Chinese style. Ta-da! Here comes the poha, the parched rice. What can you do with this in a Chinese style? I know it's not
What can I do with poha?
Yeah, tell me what.
Okay. We'll make some Szechuan poha now.
Szechuan poha.
Yes. Spicy poha.
Well, it's
Szechuan sauce.
sounding good. Like, how are you gonna do it?
2 tablespoons of oil in pan.
Okay,
Coat the pan properly with oil.
sure. Well, chef, actually I was joking. I was really confident that whatever I get, you're really gonna get a new recipe out of it.
A generous amount of very nicely chopped onion.
Okay,
3 tablespoons.
sure.
The green part of spring onion. Again,
Okay.
3 tablespoons.
Adding the Chinese touch to it. And now what?
Stir frying. The
Okay.
onion and the spring onion ka green part.
Now this is how you make the poha as well. The onion goes in, the poha goes in. So what's new?
I'll show you.
Maybe the stirring is different.
The new thing is Ching's Secret Szechuan sauce
In poha.
in poha. 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
And 2 tablespoons of Ching's Secret soy sauce. And mix it properly.
Mix it properly, fast, so that the sauce
And
does
this is
not.
poha which is already been soaked in water. Slowly put the poha
And mix it.
in the pan. Keep mixing it. Everything goes in.
So
Let me do that for you.
does that need constant stirring whilst we
Yes.
are putting in the poha?
Exactly. It needs constant stirring. Mix it properly and nicely.
So whenever you need to cook the Szechuan poha at home, do call in to us, do call our chef Vikas, because he'll hold the pen for you and you can keep on stirring, right?
Exactly.
Well, this is really nice and it's really like innovative that poha can be made in a different way. Otherwise, the traditional way of making poha is like add onions, add the potatoes, add the turmeric powder, whatever, and your poha is ready. That is generally a very common breakfast or a very common snack that people have in the evening or in the morning. But now this is really innovative. I think it's really yummy. It's tasty. It's looking delicious for the kids as well as everyone and anyone. So the next time your guests are at home, tell them that, okay, will you have poha? And they'll be like, okay, because they know that once you ask for poha, you're gonna cook poha, and when you come up with the Szechuan poha, the eyes are gonna just lighten up. And
Oh, sorry. Is that taste?
thanks. So if you also want to know about many more such simple instant recipes which were made in a traditional style and now we are cooking it in a Chinese style, do tune into Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty instant
Chinese.
2 cups soaked poha, 2 tablespoon Ching's Secret Szechuan sauce, 1 tablespoon Ching's Secret soya sauce, half cup chopped spring onions, 2 tablespoon oil, salt and pepper to taste.